In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamala Pullen looks at infertility.
Infertility is the inability to conceive after a year or longer of trying.
So 80% of people will get pregnant within a year of consecutively trying each month. But there are the few where it does not happen for. And so we give them 1 year. Now, if you're over the age of 35, we tend to give a shorter period for that trial, because as you age, as women age, the quality and quantity of our eggs gradually deteriorate.
This is due to several factors.
For female, poor ovulation or no ovulation, nowhere for the egg and the sperm to meet, that would be the fallopian tubes. Poor environment for implantation, and that is with relation to the uterus itself. And then the male factors with poor quality, quantity, or environment for sperm production and activity.
This can have a psychological effect on women in particular.
It requires a lot of counseling dealing with these women. First of all, they are very anxious, and anxiety in and of itself can impact what's happening to them, right? Your stress hormones go up and that affects ovulation and so on. So a lot of women come in distressed, and they're willing to do anything physical, any medication that they need to take to try and correct the problem.
Treatment is available, but that depends on the cause.
So there's medical management for polycystic ovarian syndrome. With regards to the fallopian tubes, unfortunately, we have not in medicine found a way to repair fallopian tubes adequately to ensure that, yes, you will conceive. So that's where the challenge lies. And so some people with problems with their fallopian tubes will need further assistance in terms of in vitro fertilization or assisted reproductive techniques.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.